Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing an eyeshadow tutorial using the new Jaclyn Hill Morphe Volume 2 palette. So far I've only used the red shades in the palette, so I will more than likely do some more tutorials using some of the other colors because this palette has a lot to choose from. So you have like your reds and burgundies, you have neutrals, oranges, pinks and purples, you even have like a yellow over here, so I definitely want to play around with this some more. I will say I'm kind of slightly obsessed with this eyeshadow palette already. I love the original Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette, so I kind of had the same expectations going into this one, and I haven't been disappointed yet, so if you want to see how to get this eyeshadow look, then just keep on watching. Okay, so starting out with the shade Positivity, I am taking this on a large fluffy brush and I'm applying this all through the crease, making sure to blend it from inner to outer corner. Since we are doing a dark shade all over the lid, I am taking it all the way in. Now I'm taking the shade Certified on that same brush and just diffusing the edges from where Positivity was, so that way it blends into the brow bone pretty seamlessly. Then taking the shade Hard On, and I'm taking this on another fluffy brush, slightly smaller and more dense, and blending from outer to inner corner, and just slightly lower as to not cover up the shade Positivity, but rather just blend into it. Here I'm just going back in with the previous brush that we used with Positivity, just to make sure that Hard On is blended out seamlessly. Now dipping into the shade Crazy, I'm using a brush from one of those Dose of Colors like Sassy Sienna's palette, and I love this brush for packing on shadow onto the lid, especially a matte shade, because this brush is slightly fluffy but it's also dense, so it just packs it on and blends it out all at the same time. And I'm just going to put this color all over the lid and bring it right up to the crease and try to diffuse it as much as possible so there's no harsh line between Heart On and Crazy. Now I'm taking the shades Heart On and Livin' My Best, mixing them together on a smaller fluffy brush just to diffuse the line between Heart On and Crazy. And here I'm going back with that Dose of Colors brush just to make sure that the shade Crazy is as pigmented as I can get it on my lid, and to make sure that the crease is nice and diffused. For mascara, I'm taking the L'Oreal Unlimited mascara. This is the first mascara that I have tried that has come close to my beloved CoverGirl Supersizer. It is pretty dang good and I highly recommend. Now dipping into I'm In It on the other end of that Dose of Colors brush, and I am putting this on my inner corner and on my brow bone, just to add a little bit of an iridescent highlight. I'm then taking Heart On and applying this to my lower lash line, and also taking the shade Crazy and putting it on the outer portion of my lower lash line. And that is the finished eye look. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.